Hello and welcome to the Vtiger Mail Plus tutorial. The Vtiger Mail Plus module empowers you to send emails to your customers without the worry of them being labeled as spam. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process of configuring the Vtiger Mail Plus. For that, navigate to the settings icon, then CRM settings, click on Other Settings, and select Mail Plus. The Mail Plus configuration page has been displayed. Click on Edit. Here you need to provide the SendGrid API key. To get your API key, register or log in to your SendGrid account. Navigate to Settings, then select the API key. Click Create API Key. Provide a key name, select permissions, and click on Create and View. Now copy the API key created and paste it into the API key field of Mail Plus. Once done, click Save. Now, with Mail Plus, you can start sending mail to your customer without being sent as spam. Mail Plus enables you to securely configure your logged-in mail address using the SendGrid API key. This ensures that your emails not only reach their intended destination, but also maintain the highest level of security. Wondering if your emails reached their destination? No more guesswork. Get real-time delivery status with ease using the comprehensive email logs provided by Mail Plus by navigating to Tools and selecting Mail Plus. Keep your communications organized with Mail Plus. Easily manage all your email records within the module, ensuring that important details like user ID, delivery status, and email messages are at your fingertips. Send emails confidently without the fear of being marked as spam. Remember, authenticating your email address using the SendGrid API key is the key to avoiding those spam filters. Say goodbye to spam folders and hello to effective email communication. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.